HP LaserJet Managed E8 Department Printer plus 6GW49A LaserJet Inner Finisher Unboxing and Setup. This video will show how to unbox and set up the HP LaserJet Booklet Finisher on the HP LaserJet Managed E8 Department Printer. Begin by cutting the tape and opening the box. Remove the styrofoam and accessories. Lift the finisher out of the box and set it on a flat surface. Then remove the output tray from the box and set it aside. Push the plastic bag down to the base of the finisher. Then lift the finisher out of the bag. Remove the blue tape and the protective foam sheet. Remove the remaining blue tape from the outside of the finisher. Open the top cover. Remove the blue tape from the output tray area. Then remove the blue tape that secures the cable. Close the top cover. Open the side door. Remove the blue tape and foam from the stapler. Close the side door. Now you can prepare the printer for finisher installation. Make sure that the printer is powered off. Then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and remove any cables. Remove the two screw caps and screws that secure the output tray. Remove the output tray cover. Remove the two screws from the side power cover. Then remove the cover. Lift up and out to remove the output tray. Next, slightly flex the turnaround bracket and remove it. Locate the paper setting guide bracket and the tabs that secure it. Slide the bracket toward the front of the printer to remove it. Raise the bin full actuator up almost 90 degrees away from the shaft. Then, rotate it towards the back of the printer until it snaps into the locking clip. Remove the 4 screws that secure the rear exit cover. Remove the rear exit cover. Next, locate the duplex guide you removed earlier. Unroute the cable connector and remove the blue tape. Install the duplex guide and slide it towards the rear of the printer to lock it in place. Insert the cable into the connector. Install 1 screw to secure the duplex guide in place. Replace the rear exit cover. Replace the 4 screws that secure the rear exit cover. Replace the side power cover and then replace the 2 screws that secure it. Locate the output bin center guide roller hold down. Pull the center guide roller down and install the hold down. Make sure that the roller hold down bracket is fully seated. Next, locate the slide rails. Align the right slide rail on the metal standoffs and lower it into position. Install the 3 screws that secure the slide rail. Position the left slide rail on the metal standoffs and lower it into position. Install the 3 screws that secure the slide rail. Push the slide rails in towards the printer. Peel off the cover label over the connector. Locate the guides on the bottom of the finisher. Align the guides on the bottom of the inner finisher with the slide rails on the printer. Push the finisher in towards the printer. Open the side door. Pull back the release lever and make sure that the finisher is properly seated. remove the shipping screw. Then remove the caution label from the stapler. Close the side door. Lift and hold the output dampeners to move them out of the way. Insert the tabs on the output tray into the slots on the finisher and lower it into position. Install the 4 screws to secure the output tray to the finisher. Insert the cable into the connector. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. The inner finisher and printer are now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.